Hey everyone, welcome back to 9 to 5 IO. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Touch and Go card to Apple Wallet and use it seamlessly for contactless payments. It's super easy and saves you the hassle of carrying around the physical card. Let's get started. First, open your iPhone settings. Then scroll down and find Apple Wallet. Then tap on Apple Wallet. Then tap on Add Card to Apple Wallet. Then tap on Debit or Credit Card. Then tap on Continue. Then hold near card. Hold iPhone near the chip on the card to add it to wallet. Also, you can enter card details manually. Or you can scan card with camera. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.